Hey everybody, it's Brian from the Brian Riley team at RE/MAX Select Realty. I'm here in Conway at our new listing, 1417 Chaplin Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath ranch, meticulously maintained by the original owner since this house was built in the 1960s. I can't wait to take you inside, show you how clean this house is and all the features it has to offer. Here inside we've got these beautiful original hardwood floors that are in great shape. Huge windows, they let in a ton of natural light, especially here in the living room. You're gonna see it though in all of the rooms as we go through the house.